doing? I'm sharpening my bandsaw blades for the sawmill. Anyway, I have an auto sharpener coming, but this is how I do it by hand. It doesn't take long. If you want to zoom in and show them what I'm doing there.
I can.
First time I did it this way wasn't so good, but once you get onto it, this is a pretty cheap way to sharpen blades. Just a chainsaw grinder put at about a 75-degree angle. Take some out of the gullet and the tooth. And, this was a $90 solution for 2 years instead of a 900 plus tax auto sharpener. But I did order the auto sharpener because I'm using Manila a lot this year. It's not here yet. It's on its way. This is what I've been doing the last 2 years, and I get 4 sharpenings out of every blade this way. So it saves me a lot of money on buying new blades. So